Welcome to Maths Genius. Today we will be covering an important topic in the maths portion. Welcome to the lecture series of the quantitative part, and we are here with this question which states that with the values that are given here. Now the thing to consider, there are basically 2 to 3 things to consider, right? First, the figure. As everyone can see, the figure is a triangle and it is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, right? And we have discussed the properties of this triangle before earlier in the exams in the series. Well, what is the property? Well, the side that is in front of the 30 degrees, right, is half the hypotenuse, and the side that is opposite the 60 degree is root 3 the hypotenuse, right? So I am repeating it again, that the side or the leg in front of 30 is half the hypotenuse, right? So this is half h, and I am saying this is h, right? And this side, the side, of course it will be 60 degrees, right? The side that is opposite to the 60 degree is what it is 1/2 the hypotenuse root 3. You just have to remember these three things, right? So now we are given this value. So half the hypotenuse root 3 is equal to this. So it becomes 12 over root 3h. Right? Now we have to find a perimeter. So 12 over root 3h, and I have mentioned over here that this over this, it is simply half. The side that is opposite to 30 is simply 1/2 the hypotenuse, right? So 1/2 the hypotenuse, so it will be 12 over root 3 into 2, and 2 is outside the root. Please don't make this mistake in the exams. Then we have the side 6, right? So this thing is lacking root 3 and all of them has root 3, so it will become 6 root 3 divided by root 3. Okay, so this is the answer that is coming, and if I write, it becomes 18 plus 6 root 3 over root 3, and if I multiply the whole expression by root 3, I will be ending up, and you know this is the basic thing in surd form, right? Because we don't want to leave the answer in the form of a root. So it becomes 18 root 3 plus 6 root 3 cancel, it becomes 3 over 3. Now if I am taking 3 common in this, it will become 6 root 3 plus 6, and this whole value is divided by 3, so this and this is cancelled, and we are left with a value of 6 root 3 plus 6, right? Or it can be written as 6 plus 6 root 3. Now if you look at the answer, option choice is available. option number B totally fits in with the value that we have calculated. Now you should be familiar with the properties because the properties are really important. The properties are really important and you should keep your focus on it, right? The angle, that is the leg, that is opposite, right? Leg means the side, right? The side that is opposite to the 30-degree is 1/2 the hypotenuse, right? So you can just make some notes as well, right? 30, 60, 90 triangle. So 30 side is what? Yes, what it is? It is half the hypotenuse. Okay. Now since the angles and the sides are reciprocal to the angle that is opposite to them, right? The smallest one will be the one that is opposite to 30, right? Then the second one will be this, and hypotenuse, since 90 is the largest angle in a right angle triangle, so it will be the highest value, right? It will be the largest value, right? So this is h, right? Now this side, the 61 becomes half under root 3 h. So it is in this form. I hope that I have made the concepts clear and you guys have understood each and everything. They are asking for the perimeter, right? So the question has two concepts, right? One, you should be able to solve the properties. You should be familiar with the properties of the triangle. And then that what is the perimeter, right? It is the summation of the three sides. First side, this is the hypotenuse, the largest one. This is the 30 angle one, and this is the 60 angle one. Pay particular attention to this topic because teachers have made this triangle thing into some kind of a gigantic monumental task. It's not, trust me fellas, it is totally a myth when you consider that triangle. It is the toughest thing in the exams because there are a lot of things that can go wrong on the exam day, but triangles is not anything, right? You just need to know this thing, right? These formulas, and there are not a lot of formulas in maths. Most students say, okay sir, these are a lot of thousands or hundreds of formulas. I have no idea where this myth has arrived and from which year it has started on. Because now everyone is saying, okay, this is the thing, this is how things are done. So I hope you guys have paid particular attention to this topic. And I have taken 2 sessions, relatively small sessions to cover it. So best of luck for your exams and keep on practicing and follow my instructions. Allah.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.